Today I come in with new dessert I would like to show you. And if you want to know how to cook this wonderful dessert, and it's really delicious and yummy. Stay tuned and I will show you how I made it. Today I come to you to show you how I cook my dessert for my family. It's really easy and really delicious, and you can keep this in the refrigerator, and all family come to your house. You can easy to grab from refrigerator, and its meal already will be prep. It's dessert, and I will show you it's yogurt. It's laying with strawberries. You can using any berries you would like to. You can using blueberry berries, any type of berries you would like to. This time I will be using frozen berries. You can using fresh berries. I like it frozen. If I decide like right now to cook something I have on hand rather than already become moldy, or we can eat more faster when they have in the refrigerator rather than frozen. And if you overeat, anything can become not keto friendly. Okay, let's start to cook. In a small bowl, mash 1.5 cups strawberries, frozen or fresh. Put in a few extra strawberries for the garnish. Later on, when you start cooking them, you can put it a little bit on. Try to chop strawberries with the fork. Leave the strawberry mix chunky. Mix in sweetener, 1 cup, any kind of sweetener you have, stevia, xylitol, or anything else. You can choose any sweeteners of your choice you could like to. And add it to this mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, then set aside. In a separated clean bowl, use a hand mixer, whip together 2 cups heavy whipping cream. 1/2 cup any sweeteners of your choice, again I will be using swirl, and 8 ounces cream cheese room temperature, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Whip consistently until mixture thickened to very thick consistency. In a glass jar, use strawberry mixer. Put small layers of strawberry into the bottom of each cup. Spoon equal amount of the cheesecake mixture in each of the cup on top of the first layer of strawberry mixture. And after with the strawberry mixture, gently and beautifully spoon equal amount of strawberry over the cheesecake layer. And don't forget to garnish with the slices of strawberry and lemon zest. Refrigerate and serve cold. Don't forget, this is a beautiful centerpiece, can be in your table when guests coming up, and I can tell you everybody will love that. This is keto-friendly strawberry yogurt. Everybody will love. It doesn't matter you're keto or normal diet or American diet, everybody will in love with this. Thank you for staying until end, and let me know in the comments below if you already made this strawberry yogurt for yourself, or maybe you put another blueberry. Let me below and how do you like it, and give me thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.